Transparency time, I have failed. I failed tremendously, but the good thing about failure is you get the opportunity to get back up. Now, you only really truly fail if you stay down. So this is my opportunity to get back up. As you can see, I am in my office. Da, 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 da. I am in my office. I was doing some cleaning out, and I'm gonna show you guys that briefly. But yeah, I'm starting over from scratch because I basically lost all my recipe because I didn't think in advance on temperature control, and because of that, my products were going rancid. So I basically kind of like stopped everything, and I don't know why I didn't think about AC and temperature control, but I switched to this room originally because I thought the cooling system worked better in here and it was consistent. It's a lie, but here you go. I already cleaned and organized everything, wiped down, vacuum. I think the only thing we have to do now is make sure that this AC system is put up at the window. The mini fridge here is cleaned. And what else? I think maybe just for the sake of it, wipe down everything once more once we get orders in for a recipe. And then right there, I want to organize that or maybe figure out a better place to put my label printer. But as far as everything else, we good to go. We ready to start. What do you guys think? It's very spacious. I took away my sewing table that I had here as a production table. And since all my product or recipes are gone, and now we're going to try to keep less product on hand, I'm going to be producing over there. As you can see, my industrial blender or mixture. Then we got my pouring machine, got a camera set up there, weighing stuff, just to weigh everything. So that's mostly going to be used now for like if I want to do a body scrub or body butter. That's mainly the only reason we're going to use the blender for. Um, it's not a blender, it's a mixture. And then the oil pour machine or product pour machine, that I think we're going to use that very often. And then on this side, we have my butter at the top shelf, and we have the oils and some of the recipe and disinfectant in case we want to do some cleaning, shipping supplies. And then right there, we have our oils. And here, just to file documents in case of anything. But this is it. This is the rework. Let me try to adjust the camera back. This is what we have. And it's hard for me to admit that I fail. And I have to have the video of the cleaning process so you can see how really bad it was in here. But as a business owner, one thing you don't want to say ever is that you fail. But it's even worse if you fail and never get back up. But now you guys get the first look at what it's gonna take for me to rebuild myself. Starting from scratch. I don't know. I think the only difference now is that I have lived and learned. And second, or number one, most important thing is that I have the backing of the Holy Spirit. So now, with the grace of God, I'm not going to just go out there and do stuff without first consulting a business partner of mine. um, as you can see right there, I have my air purifier going to kind of cleanse the air. And I'm just going to let that stay there as long as possible. Sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys can join me on this journey of rebuilding my brand, building myself, and finding my identity, growing spiritually, and becoming a better person and a better mom. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the process as much as possible. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys this. I think I should go around the room and show you guys. Okay, so first thing first, this is my sewing table, but for now we're gonna keep my recording equipment on there. That's the mini fridge. Where is it? See, that's the problem. Mini fridge, in case I need to, as you can see, my daughter loves this office more than me. But anyway, I gotta clean that, clean, disinfect all of that. This is already done. That's where everything gonna be shipped. My little disinfectant supplies right there. Then some fragrance. I gotta figure out where to put that poster. But isn't it gorgeous? I feel like it's so on brand. Natural, organic, Mama Africa. I don't know. This is everything. Somebody, the church blessed me and gave me like a free brand new control because they really believe in my business and what I'm doing. Then here, shipping supply, here, and then yeah, we got our oil, our jojoba, everything at the bottom. That's basically rented or it will be expiring soon. So I'm gonna be using those to make like soaps just because. And then the top part, I'm gonna use that into the brand because those are actually just ordered. If you can see, they have not been opened. And then here we have our stuff for body butters. Our butters up on the top shelf. We have down here, this is for disinfecting the dishes or whatever. And then we have like some stuff for like herbs in case I want to make some hair growth oil or add some extra vamp on my body butters. And then we have some oils that have been sitting in the herbs that have been sitting in the oils. That's just anyway. And then this is for our bath soap if I want to make bath salt. And then yeah, and those also has gone bad, so I'm just gonna figure out something to do with that. And that's it. But let me step back. So everything that was here, I'm basically sending it to the storage unit and try to do minimalistic in this office so that I don't have too many things at once. I'm gonna put things in the storage. Right now they're just in different location in the house, but once I get a storage unit, probably a 10 by 10, I'm gonna figure out everything and take everything out and just live minimal. Yeah. But I would take you guys along as much as I can while I rebuild my brand and my identity. All right. You guys have a lovely day. Bye bye.